This video is sponsored by WeCreat, the product link below the video in the description box. WeCreat Vision. Laser is finally easy with our 20W laser engraver and cutter. Take advantage of a $200 discount on the occasion of Christmas. Auto lifting design with autofocus. The world's first auto lifting enclosure eliminates the need for a riser base to work with a wide range of materials. Focal length with laser bed. 0 to 100 mm, 3.93. Without laser bed. 0 to 140 mm, 5.51. Camera makes all the difference. Built-in HD camera takes the guesswork out of creation. Position your designs precisely and painlessly with our 1mm high-precision camera. One-click speed and power settings. Our industry-first quick-view matrix is clever. Just look for the effect you want, then click on it to pick a setting. No wasted time, money and materials for repeated testing. Rotary engraving. We've made rotary engraving easier, faster, and better than ever with full circular, 360U acute 1080U acute engraving on mugs, tumblers, vases, stainless steel bracelets or rings. Find inspiration everywhere. WeCreat Maquette. App features handy design tools, multiple canvas, and access to our ever-expanding design library with thousands of images, 1,000 ready-to-make editable projects, and 400+ fonts from the start. Setting the speed record. Vision leads the pack with 600 mm per second maximum engraving speed, while the second fastest full enclosure diode laser on the market claims a max speed of 160 mm per second. First-class safety design. Vision boasts FDA Class 1 certification. A Class 1 laser is eye-safe under all operating conditions and is safe under all reasonably anticipated conditions of use. Precision-crafted performance. With an industry-leading 0.01 mm movement accuracy, Vision offers class-leading performance in both speed and precision. More materials to cut and engrave. WeCreat Vision, with its innovative laser technology and 20W high-power laser beam, elevates cutting efficiency, ensuring precision, speed, and versatility for all types of designs. 400+ ways to create. From natural to synthetic, Vision is designed to cut or engrave over 400 types of materials, including but not limited to wood, leather, acrylic, ceramic, slate, denim fabric, stainless steel, and even tree leaves.